So in our IoT experiments, we have used this Node MCU board, which contains of ESP8266 microcontroller chip, which is Wi-Fi enabled. So we can access this chip using Wi-Fi, and we have several pins like input output, general purpose input output pins like D0, D1, D2, and so on. And also we have power supply pins like V in and ground, and also transmission pin and receiver pin. We generally use these pins based upon the sensors that we use in our IoT project.
Uses this software Arduino version of 1.8.19, and we use this software to write the code and upload it to the processor ESP8266. And for programming the processor, we need to install board libraries for that processor by navigating to board manager. After installation, we can verify that in here, and we have to connect the port. After that, we can write the code in given text editor and upload it after verification.
Now let us know about the onboard LED setup. First of all, we need to write the code in Arduino IDE. The first line, it defines the LED pin as the D0 on Node MCU board. It also contains a setup function where it sets the LED pin as output, and it also contains loop function where it continually toggles the state of the LED between on and off for every second. If you want, you can increase the delay time. So you need to search for tools and select port and choose COM port. As a result, the onboard LED blinks.
About the dancing LEDs, here it consists of two LEDs. So here is the code. In the LED pin 1 connects to D3, and also the LED pin 2 connects to D8. Here in this code we have used void setup function and also the void loop function, and also we have used delay. And coming to relay, it consists of relay tripping. Actually the relay is used as switch to control the circuits of high power. So coming to the relay tripping, here is the code. It consists of void setup function, also the void loop. It also consists of a buzzer, which to give a perfect information about our required instructions.
This is LCD display. It consists of pins and it is connected to the board. It is used to display the output of the program that we have created. Here is the sample program used to display the word high in the LCD display. The output comes as in it. It is used to display the outputs of various components like humidity, weather sensors, and all the things.
Based on our IoT project, I am explaining about ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor is used to determine the presence of the objects near to the ultrasonic. It describes about the distance of the object. If we reach near to the ultrasonic sensor, it determines the distance in the LCD screen. Without the LCD screen, we use ThinkSpeaks to determine the distance of the objects with the help of ultrasonic sensor.
Know about the DHT sensor, stands for digital humidity temperature, and it is used to measure humidity and temperature. It can easily interface with microprocessors like Raspberry Pi and Arduino. And this is source code. And by this we can measure humidity and temperature.
I'm going to explain the soil moisture sensor. This is going to detect the type of the soil, that is define the soil type, that is wet or dry or solid.
So we are from the Department of AI and DS. We've been in this IoT workshop since past 3 days, and it's really interesting, and we have learned a lot of interesting things and still learning a lot. So thank you for this.